Here is a question from JEE Main 2025, 23rd January shift 1. So we will be taking two questions from the same shift. It says a solid sphere of mass m and radius r is rolling down this incline plane of length L and makes angle 30 degree, and in second case it makes angle of 45 degree while keeping L constant. Then the new speed of the sphere at the bottom of the plane is v2, and so they have asked for something. So it says the incline has length L, the angle in first case was 30 degree, in second case it was 45 degree, and these are solid spheres, solid ball. Now for inclined plane in case of rolling motion, the questions are frequently asked, and therefore it is wise to remember this formula. You can memorize this formula for future use. G sin theta by 1 plus k square by r square, where k is radius of gyration. So when a ball rolls down an inclined plane, which has been asked frequently. Acceleration of the ball. Now in rolling there will be translation as well as rotation. We do not need to bother about rotation. This formula is for acceleration. Now as the ball comes down, it had some speed v1 in first case and say speed v2 in second case. Now let me find acceleration for the two cases. So in the first case, the acceleration a1 will be equal to g sin theta, that is g sin 30 degree, which will be g by 2 divided by 1 plus k square by r square. Okay, and in second case a2 will be g sin 45 degree. Sin 45 degree is 1 by root 2 divided by 1 plus k square by r square. For finding velocity, we have formula v square is equal to u square, where u is 0, so 0 square plus 2as. Length of the incline given is same, so s will be same for both the case. So for the first case v1 square by v2 square, for the second case v1 square by v2 square for the second case will be equal to 2a1s by 2a2s. Now 2s and 2s gets cancelled. We only have ratio of a1 and a2. a1 by a2. In first case a1 is g by 2 upon something, and in second case it is g by root 2 upon something, because both are the balls, so the denominator will remain same for them. So equals to g by 2 divided by g by root 2. 1 by root 2 by 2 is 1 by root 2. So what answer we have? This is why I always ask students to practice more and more, because once you practice more, your recalling ability will increase and your calculation will become simple. Let's go to the second question. From the same 23rd Jan 2025, we have another question which says there is a thin convex lens of refractive index mu2 kept in a liquid. Let me explain it. The outside medium has refractive index mu1. The lens has refractive index mu2. The right surface of the lens is mirrored. So what will happen? Light will go inside and will come out to the same side. And as usual, this is again a popular question. So they have asked where should an object be placed so that its final image coincide with the object. Now the right surface is silvered, so we need multiple calculations over here, that is from mu1 to the lens, and then lens act as a mirror of the right surface, and then light again comes to the lens and gets back. So we have lengthy options too, but the good thing is the options are in variable, so we will be using hit and try, which is also a very effective strategy in JEE Main. So what if I put mu1 equals to mu2? That is, refractive index of the medium and refractive index of the lens if become equal. So as soon as refractive indices become equal, this boundary goes, क्योंकि जब रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स सेम है तो बाउंड्री कहाँ से आ गया? इसका मतलब हमारे पास एक ही सरफेस बचेगा. थिंक योर सेल्फ, आप खुद से पॉज करके सोचिए. तो अब हमारे पास एक ही सरफेस बचेगा जो मिरर है, जिसके एक तरफ कोई मीडियम है और ये रहा इसका एक्सिस और इसका रेडियस है R2. अब कहाँ पे आप ऑब्जेक्ट डालेंगे कि उसका इमेज सेम पॉइंट पे फॉर्म हो? तो ऑब्वियसली दैट इज सेंटर. और सेंटर कितनी दूर होगा? R2 के इक्वल होगा. देन सारे ऑप्शंस में आप μ1 इक्वल्स टू μ2 प्लेस कीजिए. सारे ऑप्शंस में आप μ1 इक्वल्स टू μ2 प्लेस कीजिए. देखिए कौन सा मैच करता है. यू विल फाइंड ओनली ऑप्शन 2 मैचेस. सो ऑप्शन 2 इज करेक्ट. Mind, we are using these methods because this set was pretty difficult. The student here has scored 99.89 by doing only 20 correct and 1 incorrect question. In other papers could have come with 24 correct questions.
Subscribe to this channel to get more insightful videos and stuff for G Main, G Advanced and NEET revision.